this is something unique I got. Like I have not even thought of an idea of like this. Yeah, it's really awesome. Like every time you find someone new with something new,
Correct.
this makes
yes.
me happy, man. Like
Oh.
you're doing something unique.
Yes. Thank you so much. That means a lot actually.
Yeah, my name is Sukumar Abhijit,
Okay.
and I am a software developer.
Acha. Okay.
And I am more like into mobile developments,
Okay.
both Android and iOS applications. Usual my day-to-day life is developing apps.
Superb. So, कहाँ से हो आप? Where are you from?
I am from Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
Oh, superb. So you've been in Bangalore for a while?
Actually, my current location is in Gurgaon. Like
Acha.
the office, I am working for Cast 24.
Okay.
So that headquarters is in Gurgaon. So I have been working there for like 2 years now.
Okay.
And currently I have shifted to for some changes in life. So I have shifted to Bangalore.
Okay.
Just like 1.5 months. Then I'll go
Okay.
back again to Gurgaon.
Oh, nice. So how's your life in Bangalore?
Actually, there were before 2 years back, we were living like together with some friends in a single apartment.
Acha.
And so my friends were then shifted Bangalore like 2-3 months back. So I have currently shifted to their place to have some fun.
Okay.
Recently I had visited a trip
Okay.
and I went to Munnar with those friends. So I was missing them, so I just shifted to Bangalore for some time to
Oh.
have a get together with them and have some fun.
Oh, that's really beautiful actually.
Yeah.
So what makes you happy in life?
Happy in life, money.
Money.
Just
Yeah. Like
that makes everybody is happy, but I have some plans about myself, like getting a good body. Whenever I do exercise and see myself getting something good out of myself, that makes me happy.
Oh, that's awesome.
Like I have skipped it for like 6 months
Acha.
because I shifted to Gurgaon.
Uh-huh.
Previously I was work from home.
Okay.
So 6 months back the company asked me to join there. So when I switched over there, it was like hectic for some time, so didn't get the time to go back into gym.
Okay.
Recently I've started like 3-4 days back. I have just started again.
Okay. Superb.
How long you have been doing this?
Bike taxi. I started. It's been actually 2 years. So I thought, why not we'll do a podcast out of it, because see, you can learn from anywhere, right? If you want to learn, you can learn from anywhere. So I have done some mistakes and I have like used Bike Taxi. This platform has a pitch session to like mold myself, bring a better version of myself. Talking to people, it's like more like that. So yeah, that's what I do now. So what's really important in life according to you?
It's a very good question. I believe like every day I have something important to do, and if I achieve that, that is what like it's fine for me. I have some aim, but then in order to achieve that, every day I need to do something. Like I believe in taking small steps rather than jumping big.
Okay.
So I don't have anything like to what can I say? Nothing materialistic importance,
Okay.
but I come from a very low background where money mattered a lot, and I got an understanding of how money works.
Okay.
And even for now, if I like do income in lakhs, still a 1 rupee coin is important for me.
Yes.
So importance for me is everything where I find like it will be something helpful to someone, or it will bring some benefit to somebody, maybe to my family, to my parent, to myself, or anybody who I meet. So that's it.
Wow, that's actually beautiful. The one thing that I really notice is that like everyone has an ultimate goal, right?
Yeah.
But to reach the goal, it's like an everyday quest. Like every day you have to take a baby steps.
Every
and
day you
steps.
need to do something in order
Correct.
to get to that point.
Yes. No, that's really beautiful actually. See, that's why I try to get some perspective from other people. Like they have a different lens, right? Like the way they see life.
Actually, I was thinking of something to, break the monotony of the life, where usually developer fits into a life cycle where gets bored easily with like just doing his work and going back to
Yes.
to its own place and then sleeping or doing something.
Correct. Yes.
Not getting time to interact with others and finding
Yes.
something
Yes.
useful. So like this idea is really hit me like a superb idea. I
Yeah.
do love riding bikes actually.
Same thing actually. I used to have a really good bike. I sold it out.
I also do believe like going
Oh, sorry.
old school is a bit better.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
Going face to face and talking. That will not only engage yourself with the other one.
Correct.
That will excite the other person that you are taking actual interest in.
Yes.
Or like through body language and expression, and a lot of things happens. when you meet
100%.
someone.
100%. So basically, actually, I'm a really shy person. I'm an introvert.
Yeah, me too.
I was actually really having a rough time being an introvert and a shy person because I was not able to talk to my clients or anyone who's coming to invest in my projects, like had short films ideas, documentaries and everything. I used to have a really tough time to explain them. So I thought I should break this barrier. So why not I'll use bike taxi as a pitch session, like whoever comes, I'll talk to them, I'll take the initiative and talk. So it's more like that.
Like actually a very nice idea to
Yeah.
like everybody will be like surely will be interested in talking with you.
Yes.
Like I would say like 85% of the people they usually don't talk with others.
No,
They-
yeah.
They just talk to the person they know.
Correct,
That's it.
correct,
They don't
correct.
even try to talk with someone new and get something new.
Exactly.
But
Yes.
this way they will be really interested, to
Yeah.
talk at least.
Correct. See, actually, I've been doing bike taxi from a long time, 2 years plus. I really didn't know how to put it out in the world. Like this is something, not like a really big something I'm trying to say. It's like a just very small thing. I never knew how to do it, so I thought, why not we'll do it through podcast. You know what? I thought like many people would say no to like interact and talk, but I was wrong. Actually, 99% everyone would say. And like more of them, more people are like very, very positive.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like
Yeah.
usually a person will not talk,
Hmm.
but if he finds the way of talking like this,
Yes.
he will definitely jump in. Like okay, so
Exactly.
let's see what is
Yes.
happening.
And I was thinking like mostly women would say no and men would say yes for like recording and podcast because of the safety issues and privacy concerns. But it's going in reverse. Like usually men say no and women say yes. So it's like
Males are
really-
just men. They just do their stuff and
correct. But still, it was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much.
yeah, it's like a different day for me actually. You all
Super.
changed the day, like the monotony broken.
Oh, means a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, I have to jump in with my friends and have some fun.
Super.
It was really nice talking to you, man.
Great. Thank you. Oh, is it paid? Okay. Thank you. See you.